If you want a better life, you have to be willing to pay the true cost of better life. You sleep late night, waking up early morning, investing money, dropping bad habits, learning good habits, being sore from the gym, learning new information, leaving behind old friends, being turned down, reject bad things, don't mix bad words with your bad mood because you will have many opportunities to change your mood, but you will never get the opportunities to change the word you spoke. Accept yourself, love yourself, and keep moving forward. If you want to fly, you have to give up that weighs you down. Money is a small coin. Hill is a big coin. Health is a big coin. Love is lucky coin. Friendship is sweet coin. And relationship is a gold coin. Keep it safe. Learn to smile at every situation. Prove that you are strong enough in life. I like to be left alone so many times. No, I am not angry. No, I am not sad. I just like to be alone. One day God says me, I know you cry every day in front of me. You are asking me for solution for but trust me, my child, myself working for you right now, and there will not be any delay you will get solution for all your problems. Life is most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, no realizing that everyone has different question paper. There are only two ways to live yourself. One is as through nothing is miracle. The other is thought everything is miracle. 6 rules to be happy in life, never hate. Number 2, don't worry. Number 3, live simply. Number 4, expect little. Number 5, give a lot. Number 6, always smile. I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust myself to always my destination. Easy is to judge the mistakes of others. Difficult is recognize our own mistakes. Easy to hurt someone who loves you. Difficult to heal the wound. Easy to set the rules. Difficult is to follow them. Easy is to dream every night. Difficult is to fight for a dream. Easy to say love you. Difficult to show every day. Easy to make mistakes. Difficult to learn from them. Education is the best friend, and educated person is respected everywhere. Education beats the beauty and the youth. A beautiful dress can change the personality. Beautiful behavior can change the life. I believe in God and the power of prayer. When you are important to another person, that person will always find way to make time for you. No excuse, no lies, and no broken promise. A good life is when you assume nothing and do more, need less. Smile of laugh, dream big, love what you have. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, because when you give your time, you are giving a part of your life that you will never get back.